What's up, people? Today I'm gonna talk about how do I deal with procrastination, laziness, and similar sort of stuff. So basically, how do I tell you this? It's about your willpower. Like many times, it's about your willpower and discipline. Like willpower, for example, is when you want to do something, like for example, a bad habit, and then you don't do it. So it's like that's the willpower, the ability to not do it because you know it's bad, but you really want to do it, but you don't do it. That's the willpower. And discipline is like when you don't feel like doing something, like going to the gym or working out, stuff like that. And then like you still go and do it because like fuck the feelings, right? Yeah, exactly. So basically, what I do, for example, the previous case I got was I had a decision to make: eat healthy, like 4 eggs or something like that, cook them and like eat them and stuff. Like they might not be so tasty as the other food I had an option for, but they were way better and way more testosterone boosting. Or do I go with the cereals? And of course, many people would choose the cereal, right? Because it tastes better, it's easier to make, it's faster, da da da. But like, I was like, man, fuck this. It's not good for me, cereal. And eggs got a testosterone boost. Like, I don't give a fuck if it's tasty. Like, you're gonna get the good taste from the cereal for like what, few seconds. You're gonna eat it about 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and after that, you're gonna forget about it. And a few hours, you're probably gonna feel worse than you would if you would eat something healthy like eggs, for example, right? And eggs boost your testosterone, but okay, that's besides the point. Like, the thing is, I picked the eggs because I knew they were better for me. So like, I was like, all right, not what is tastier, but what's better? What puts a benefit in my life? That's what I asked myself. And of course, it was the eggs with the testosterone boost and the healthy stuff and protein and stuff. So I didn't even think from then on. I was like, okay, this is good and this is bad for me. So why in the fuck would I hurt myself with bad food to feel good for a few seconds? I just don't think anymore. See, that's the thing. You gotta say, okay, that's a good thing. That would be better for me to do on the long term, and that's a bad thing. I'm gonna do the good thing. Just don't think about it. Stop thinking about it. That's a good thing, and I'm gonna do the good thing. Now stop thinking. Stop thinking. What if that? Why not that? Blah blah. No, just that is what I want. That's what's good for me, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna do the bad stuff. I'm gonna do the good stuff. Bam! The thinking is done. The thinking is done. The decision has been made, and now you just go and do the stuff. And you're gonna not feel like doing it, but guess what? Your brain is telling you not to do it, but your body is capable of doing it. So for example, you have to go like down the stairs to pick something up. Well, guess what? Your body is capable of doing it, but your brain is tired and is telling you, oh man, you can do it later, chill down now, take some rest because you're sleep deprived or some shit like that. But like, your body is capable of doing it, you can go down right now and do it. You know you can. You know you can. You won't die. You won't like have any serious injuries or diseases from that. No, you won't. You know you can do it. But it's your brain telling you, I don't feel like doing this, that. Bro, shut the fuck up. It's your lizard brain. And that's what you shouldn't listen to. So what do? For example, me and my boy were like outside the other day. And it was like, hey, you see that log over there? And like, it was like a big broken tree in the middle of a forest. And he was like, yeah, let's take that and carry it for the rest of our journey. And we were walking for like a few more kilometers. And I was like, fuck, I don't want to do this. But like, you know what? It's good. It's healthy and it's pain. So we're going to do it. And so we grabbed the shit up and carried it for like 15 minutes. After we were carrying it, like, we were like, both, fuck this. I want to throw it up. But I was like, no. And how did I motivate myself to keep on going for the next 1 kilometer or something like that? I was just like, all right, let's just take those few steps. All right, just over that small hill over there. Okay, now we're on the top of that hill. Okay, now it's an easier path. Like, we can just go a bit normal front. Oh no, it's a hill again. Okay, just this hill. You have to motivate yourself to do single small steps of the way. For example, going to the gym. You don't feel like going. All right, motivate yourself just to go get the back ready. You don't need to go to the gym. Just get the back ready. Okay, now that you got the back ready, you can do it, right? Now you just gotta go down the stairs to the front door. Alright, now you're there. Now you just gotta put the shoes on. Nothing else. Alright, you got your shoes on. Alright, now you just gotta go to the gym. Just go to the gym. Or you just go outside. Then you take a few steps to get to the street. And then from the street you go to the gym. You see, like, you just motivate yourself to do a small thing. Get to the front door. Put the shoes on. Get outside the door. Go to the gym, etc. Just the small steps, right? And then eventually you'll get to the big point. But like, yeah, that is basically how I do it. Like if I think, all right, I should go do that, I should go learn, but I really don't fucking want to. I'm like, bro, my brain is telling me I don't want to, but my body can do it. Of course I can learn. Of course my brain can learn. The lizard part of my brain is telling me I don't want to, I can't, blah 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 blah. But actually I can't do it because I can. Even if I wouldn't be able to, I can still do it because I believe I can do it and I will do it. But like that's okay. That's some different stuff right now. But like you are capable of doing it, right? So I just go and learn. I just go there and learn. It's not hard. You just go there, sit down, and your brain is gonna be telling you, "You fucking bitch, you dumb, blah blah blah." But I don't give a fuck. It's the brain that's gonna put me down and fuck my life up if I don't do it. So, bro, you know I'm smarter than that. I'm smarter than my lizard part of your brain, and I believe you are too. You are. You just gotta unlock that part of the brain and say, "I'm gonna be the bloody leader of my brain." It's not gonna be the lizard part of my brain, but it's gonna be me who's gonna say what I'm gonna do. And I don't give a fuck if that part of my brain likes it or not. If that's good for me to do, I'm gonna do it. Then stand up and do it. Don't think. Whatever fucking thought comes to your mind, don't think it. Just let it go. Boom. That's why meditation. I'm sorry, meditation is useful because you can become mindful every fucking second of the day you want. For example, you're arguing. Boom. Instantly switch. Forget the thing you're arguing about. You're just present. You breathe and you're calm. Okay, now you calmly go on with the point. It's the exact same thing here. You just don't want to. You don't feel like doing it. Go and do it. Just stop thinking and do it. I know you can. Now stand up and do it. Pain sucks, but it's what makes you stronger. Ciao.